Hi, welcome my dear students. This is G. Srihari, Mathematics faculty. Right on, we are having Jee Main Test 5 on 1999-2021. The hints and explanation part for this question paper is like this. We have now this 51st question. Right, in all these questions I will not do complete solution. I will be providing the hint for that, and finally I will give the key also for that. Of course, I am providing the hint for everything. Not, I won't do the complete solution, because you students, you know that if a hint was given, you are able to do the complete thing, right? Because if we want to completely solve the question with the procedures, it takes more than 1 hour 2 hours time. That cannot be transferred through a video. That's why now see the 51st question. We have a 1 comma 3 and c 7 comma 5 are two opposite vertices of a square, like a 1 comma 3 and c 7 comma 5. We have here a 1 comma 3, c 7 comma 5 are two opposite vertices of a square, are two opposite vertices of a square, right? Vertices of a square. Then they are asking the equation of the side through A. The equation of the side through A. How we will be doing, like, okay, the equation of the side through A. They have given some options. You can observe here. Suppose if we take that A, this is 1 comma 3. Okay, this is B, this is C 7 comma 5. We have here like this, and D like this, right? Okay, Nana. You see, they have given, these are the two opposite vertices of a square. We need now, okay, what we need is the equation of the side through A. The equation of the sides through A, like this. Either this or this, we will be getting it, of course. The equation of the side through A. You see, my dear students, you see, this is what the diagonal of the square. You find the slope of this, like, and it is making an angle 45 degrees. Here also this is 45 degrees. Let us use, my dear students, if we know the slope of this line, we know already point A. Okay, if you get slope of this line passing through A, you know we are going to use tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, like this, right? Using this formula, you see tan theta here, this is tan 45 degrees. We have tan 45 degrees. This is equal to modulus of m1, slope of AC. Here m1 is nothing but slope of AC. We have like this, slope of AC. This is nothing but y2 minus y1, 5 minus 3 by 7 minus 1. This is nothing but 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. You take, this is 1 by 3 minus m2 by 1 plus 1 by 3 into m2. Okay, from this you will get two values. Okay, tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. We have, now if you simplify that, you will get two m values. m2 equal to two values you are going to get, plus or minus. Now those now you know that the equation of the side point is given and two slopes are there. If you do that, you will get the equation of the side AB and AD. You will be getting like this. See now the 52nd question, the normal form of x minus root 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. How we will be finding? We know that, my dear students, we always want, see, the normal form of the straight line is something like x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Here p, the length of the perpendicular from origin, that is always supposed to be positive. That means 6 we are having here like this, minus x plus root 3y. Right? We can write like this. And you know the procedure, you have to divide throughout by root over a square plus b square. That is minus 1 square plus root 3 whole square. Here also root over minus 1 square plus root 3 whole square, like this. This is nothing but what we will have here. Yeah, 2. This is now minus x by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into y. This is equal to 6 by 2. That is 3. Now this is in the form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Okay, equal to 3. That means cos alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2 and sine alpha is equal to root 3 by 2, right? And p is equal to what? 3 you have like this. And fine. And what will be the alpha? I think you will be getting 120 degrees. That means 2 pi by 3. Therefore, its normal form, you can easily identify that. Okay, its normal form is nothing but x into cos 2 pi by 3 plus y into sine 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3. In this beautiful way, we can do this particular problem. See the 53rd question, my dear student. If the straight line x plus y plus 1 plus k times of 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0 is perpendicular to this, then k value. You know, my dear students, you can find slope. Here we can do one thing here, of course. If I take x common, 1 plus 2k, and y if we take common, 1 minus k plus 1 minus k, we have like this here. So y if I take it here, 1 minus k plus 1 minus k is equal to 0. Now slope of this line, we know, my dear students, slope of this is nothing but, you just find slope of this line and the slope of this line, use the condition m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. From that you will get very easily the k value. This is how you will be doing this particular problem. And slope of this L1, and let us take this as L2. Slope of L1 is nothing but minus x coefficient. That means 1 plus 2k by y coefficient, 1 minus k. And the slope of L2 is equal to, right, this is what m1 and this is what m2. This is equal to minus 2 by 3. Take m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Okay, and simplify from that, you will get k value. This is the way you will be doing this 53rd problem. See, we have now this 54th problem. They have given a condition 1 by AB dash plus 1 by BA dash equal to 0. And these two lines they have given that, and we need to think that, okay, how they are, like either they are parallel or mutually perpendicular or angle like that. Find slope of this line, my dear students. Here you just find slope of this line. You know how to find minus x coefficient by y coefficient. And find slope of this line, m2. Now find angle between them. Or okay, using this condition, you just first do m1 into m2 is equal to, okay, you just find m1 into m2 and apply this condition here. I think you will be getting it as minus 1. Therefore they are mutually perpendicular. Okay, in this one you have to use this condition, then you will be getting, I think it is mutually perpendicular. This way you will be doing, okay, my dear students, to do this particular problem. See the 55th question, my dear student. The equation of the straight line whose inclination is pi by 4 and x-intercept is 4 they have given. That means, my dear students, there is one straight line whose x-intercept, right? Whose x-intercept, it is given like this, right? X-intercept is 4 comma 0 and it is making an angle pi by 4 like this, right? That means the slope m is equal to tan pi by 4 like this. Tan pi by 4, that is what? 1. And you know the slope is there and the point, you know that x1 y1. This is now 4 comma 0. Now you can find very easily the equation of the straight line. You know slope and point form y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. We can easily find the equation of the straight line using this, right, my dear students? See now 56th question. If a straight line perpendicular to 2x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 forms a triangle with coordinate axis whose area is 3 square units, then the equation of the lines are what? You see, my dear students, here the line, suppose whenever you have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, the line which is perpendicular to this is nothing but bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Therefore, for this the perpendicular line, is nothing but you will have 3x plus 2y plus k is equal to 0 like this. Because b is what here we have, like, yeah, this is what we are going to have, 3x plus 2y plus k is equal to 0. You just find the perpendicular line for this, right, my dear students? Once you got the perpendicular line, this is forming a triangle of area 3 square units. The area is equal to 3 square units. You see, this is what origin with the coordinate axis means. This is x-axis we have and this is y-axis we have here. and this is what x-intercept and y-intercept. How you will get x-intercept? By putting y equal to 0, you will get x-intercept. That means x is equal to minus k by 3. This is just you take minus k by 3 comma 0 like this. And to get y-intercept, you take x is equal to 0, y is equal to, you will have minus k by 2. 0 comma minus k by 2 is what? Now you know this is what, Nana? This is a right angle triangle. Area is nothing but half into base into height. Otherwise half into, okay, this is what you have here. The base, this is OA, B, OA into OB. This is nothing but minus k by 3 into minus k by 2. This is equal to 3. From that you will get k values. You will get k 2 values plus or minus something. Then you just put these k values in this. You will be getting the equations of the straight lines. In this beautiful way, you will be getting the equation of the straight line. I will be sending the key for all these things. Right? See, the 57th question they given, if the slope of the line they given in this form is minus 1, then the value of k. Very simple, my dear students, what we will be doing. Let us take x common here. This become 1 by a plus k by b plus y, if I take common, 1 by b plus k by a, right? Minus 1 minus k is equal to 0 like this. Minus 1 like this, okay? Here, this slope is nothing but minus x coefficient by y coefficient. That is nothing but 1 by a plus k by b by y coefficient. 1 by b plus k by a. This is equal to minus 1 they have given. Right? And if you simplify this, you will be getting the value of k from this. You just take LCM and simplify. You will be getting the value of k. Right? See, this 58th question they given, if 4a plus 5b plus 6c equal to 0, then the set of lines ax plus by plus c equal to 0 are concurrent at the point. This is what they have given. See, my dear students, a very simple concept. Here let us take, they given this condition. Let us use this condition here, of course. Suppose if I take 4a equal to minus 5b minus 6c, and a is nothing but minus 5b minus 6c by 4 like this. Now a is nothing but what? Minus 5b minus 6c by 4 into x plus by, right, plus c is equal to 0 like this we have. Right, we try to take LCM 4 here, then what we will have? Minus 5b minus 6c times of x plus 4 times of by plus c is equal to 0. Now this is nothing but we have here minus 5b minus 6c x plus 4 by like this, 4 by plus 4c equal to 0 even like this. I will take b common, then I will get minus 5x here, minus 5x, and here if I take plus 4y I have here, plus c I will take common here. Then what I will be having here? Minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0 like this. And you see, my dear student, this is of the something like lambda 1 into L1 plus lambda 2 into L2 equal to 0. Here L1 is nothing but minus 5x plus 4y equal to 0. L2 is nothing but minus 6x plus 4 equal to 0. Now we need point of intersection of these two lines. That is nothing but we are going to get, suppose minus 6x equal to 4, x is equal to minus 4 by minus 6, that is 2 by 3. X coordinate is 2 by 3. Here among the options, which is having x coordinate 2 by 3? A option. Therefore A option is the correct answer like this. You see here, you have like this, x is equal to 2 by 3 you will have. Therefore that option is what? Correct, like this. First option is correct. In this way we can do this particular problem. This 59th question, the angle between the diagonals of a quadrilateral formed by the lines. They have given totally 4 lines. These two are parallel lines because their x coefficients and y coefficients are equal. These two are parallel lines. These are another set of parallel lines. Something we have like this, and another set of parallel lines like this. This is what the figure you are getting out of this. Once you get the angle between the diagonals of the quadrilateral, we need to find the angle between the diagonals of this. Okay, if you just find this point of intersections, like, or you just draw them on a coordinate plane. Once you get these points like A, B, C, D like this, okay, you can get slope of this and slope of this. You can just find slope of AC and slope of BD like this. And use the formula tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the formula to find the angle between the two diagonals of this quadrilateral, whatever it is forming, right? Yes. See the 60th question, if minus 2 comma 6 is the image of the point. Here 4 comma 2 is given and its image is nothing but minus 2 comma 6. With respect to the line, some line is there, L is equal to 0. Then what is this line? Okay, my dear students, how we will be doing is, let us take the midpoint of this, right? If you take this as x1, y1 and this is x2, y2, you take its midpoint, because this line is acting as a perpendicular bisector of line segment joining of this. You just take midpoint, you will be getting the midpoint as something like 4 minus 2 by 2 and another one 2 plus 6 by 2. You got this midpoint. This is nothing but 1, 4. This is what? Now this point 1 comma 4 satisfying which equations? From that you can get very easily. This point should satisfy this equation. Just substitute this point among the 4 options. Which one is getting? That is what the correct answer. And another way also we can say, this find the slope of this and find the slope of this. Both should be perpendicular. Okay, those two conditions, if they satisfy, you'll be getting the correct answer for that. Now 61st question is given a point equidistant from the lines. They given 4x plus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 5x minus 12y plus 26 equal to 0, 7x plus 24y minus 50. These are the lines of the sides of the triangle, right? They are not parallel and they are forming the sides of the triangle. Then they are asking the point equidistant from the line. That means they are asking circumcenter. Okay, they are asking what is circumcenter. You know how to find the circumcenter. Just find the point of intersection of this and this. Suppose this is A, B, C. Okay, point of intersection of AB and CA will give you vertex A. Point of intersection of AB and BC will give you vertex B. This and this will give you vertex C. Now once you know 3 points, right, the point which is equidistant, right, from the, now what you can easily do is, you can, from the options you take the point which is, you just find the perpendicular distances. You just find the perpendicular distances. Then which point is equidistant to all the lines, that is what the circumcenter. Or otherwise procedure wise, you can find perpendicular bisectors equation, and the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors is also the circumcenter. Either of the way you can do, but from options if you do, you will get very easily and quickly. Now 62nd question, a line passes through the point 2 comma 2 and is perpendicular to the line 3x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Its y-intercept is nothing but what? You see, my dear students, for this you can find perpendicular slope. Okay, here m1 is equal to slope of this line, that is nothing but minus 3 by 1, and perpendicular slope is nothing but m2 is equal to minus 1 by m1. This is nothing but minus 1 by minus 3, that is nothing but 1 by 3, like this. Now you know the slope. Slope is equal to 1 by 3. And you know the point. The point is nothing but 2 comma 2. That is nothing but x1 comma y1. Now you know slope and point. You can find the equation of the line. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. You will be getting the straight line. You need to get y-intercept. You need to get y-intercept means put x equal to 0. You get y-intercept. That is what the hint for this particular problem, right? The 63rd one, they given A 1 comma minus 1, B 4 comma minus 1, C 4 comma 3 are the vertices of a triangle. Then the equation of the altitude through the vertex A. Equation of the altitude through the vertex A. You see, my dear student, just find slope of BC. Slope of BC. That is nothing but m1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 4. Wow, this is 4 by 0. This is what infinity like. That means this is parallel to y-axis. Then this become parallel to x-axis, whose slope becomes 0. Then y minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 into x minus 1. That means y plus 1 equal to 0 is the equation of the altitude. In such a beautiful and simple way you can do. See, in 65th problem, if the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 passes through the points 2 comma minus 3 and 4 comma minus 5. You see, Nana, this line is passing through this point means 2 by a plus minus 3 by b equal to 1. Like, and it is also passes through the another point, 4 by a minus 5 by b is equal to 1. We have now two lines like this. You take here, okay, you can solve this, of course. You can take u equal to 1 by a and v equal to 1 by b. Now it reduces to two linear equations. 2u minus 3v equal to 1. 4u minus 5v equal to 1. You know how to find this. Find the point of intersection. You will get u and v. Once you get u and v, from that you can find a and b. That is the way how you will do this beautiful problem. See, my dear students, now 66th problem, one vertex of the equilateral triangle we need with centroid as the origin and one side as this. One side is this and centroid as the origin we have like this. We know that from the equilateral triangle, suppose if we have A, B, C, this will divide, the centroid will divide this in the ratio 2:1 like this. And we need one of the vertex. How we will find one of the vertex? Like, we know this side, we know this side like this. Even we can find equation of the altitude for this, right? We can find one of the side they have given. We can find, okay, x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. And we know this angle is 30 degrees. Now you know this side, you know this side. We can find this side, okay. You can get, okay, you know the slope of this. You can get slope of this like this, right? Fine. And also from which another concept also we can say that what is that is, now we can find on a perpendicular distance from centroid to this one, of course, 0 plus 0 minus 2 by root over 1 square plus 1 square. This is what actually, yeah, we have a, z, b, this is d, we can take like this. This is equal to zd, right? This is equal to 2 by root 2 like this. This is root 2. And you know that this is 2:1 ratio means AZ. AZ is equal to 2 root 2 like this. AZ, this become, because it divides in the ratio 2:1. That's why AZ is equal to 2 root 2 we have here, of course. Now you take some points among the options. Find the perpendicular distance to this side. Which point will give you the perpendicular distance from this point to this line? The distance is equal to, that means AD. Okay, you have to select one point. Understand? Okay, which point will give you this perpendicular distance is equal to 3 root 2. Okay, this is 2 root 2 and 1. This is 3 root 2. That point is what the answer. In this shortcut way, you can do nicely this problem. For specifying, for 67th problem, a straight line. For specifying a straight line, how many geometrical parameters should be known? For if you want to draw any straight line on a plane, two measurements are required. For example, if 2 points are given, we can draw the line. Otherwise, if they give 1 point and 1 angle, if they give 1 point, you can actually pass through infinite number of lines. But if they give an angle, for example, 30 degrees is something, then 1 angle and 1 point, that means 2 parameters are required to specify a straight line. See, my dear students, 68, the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from 2, 3 on the line are given by, you know very well, use the formula h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Here this is what x1, y1 we have here, of course. This is what ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And a is here 3, b is minus 1, c is 4. And put it in the formula. This is something like h minus 2 by a. A is 3. K minus y1, 3 by b. B is nothing but minus 1. And minus of this ax1, this you put it here, of course, 2 plus b. B is what? Minus 1 into 3 plus c. C is what? 4 by a square plus b square. A square plus b square means 9 plus 1, 10. From these you equate this and you equate this. From that you will get h comma k. They are nothing but the foot of the perpendiculars. Now the 69th question, if the lines, my dear students, they have given here, right? See, my dear students, they given these 3 lines are concurrent. Concurrent means you know the condition 1, 2a, okay, 1, 3b, b, 1, 4c, c is equal to 0. You expand this, you will get, and from that you will get the condition whether they are in AP or GP or HP, right? This is the beautiful way you can do this particular problem. Now the 70th problem, if the algebraic sum of the perpendicular distances of the points from the points 2, 0, 0, 2 and 1, 1, where variable line is 0. You see, my dear student, the variable line, let us take ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and the algebraic distance, sum of the algebraic perpendicular distances, that means p1 plus p2 plus p3, this is equal to 0, you take like this. Right, if you take, I think after simplification I did, we got a plus b plus c is equal to 0 we will be getting. That means which point is satisfying means if you take x comma y as 1 comma 1, if you take, that means ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the line. Then if you take x1, a into 1 plus b into 1 plus c equal to 0, that means x comma y is 1 comma 1 is the point will be satisfying. Therefore, that is the required point. See here now, my dear student, they have given 3 lines, right? They are concurrent. Then what is the value of this? You take these 3 lines, A, 1, 1, 1, B, 1, 1, 1, C, this is equal to 0. You will get some condition. Put that condition in this. Then you will get the value of that. That's all. Very simple problem. This is what 71 we have here like this. Now we have 72nd question. The distance of the line 4x minus y equal to 0 from the point 4 comma 1, okay, measured along the line making an angle of 135 degrees with the x-axis. Measured along the line which is making an angle of 135 degrees with the x-axis. Right, my dear students? We have, this is what it is, a line which is making an angle 135 degrees with x-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, we have like this. Now we can find equation of this line. You got equation of the line. Now you take a line, okay, which is passing through origin, whose line is 4x minus y equal to 0. They intersect at a point Q. Just find the point of intersection of this line and this line. You got Q. Now you know P, Q. Find PQ, distance. That's all about that problem. Now the 73rd question, the locus of the midpoint of the segment intercepted between the axis of the variable. This is what we have, origin, and this is what x-axis, and this is what y-axis we have here. This is nothing but A and this is nothing but B. A is nothing but put y equal to 0. Then what you will have, x is nothing but p by cos alpha comma 0, and this is nothing but 0 comma p by sin alpha. We have like this. Now you take the locus of the midpoint h comma k. H is nothing but p by cos alpha, okay, plus 0 by 2 into 1 by 2 I will write. K is nothing but the same way we will have 0 plus p by sin alpha into 1 by 2. Right, my dear students, now we have got 2h is equal to p by cos alpha and 2k equal to p by sin alpha, like this. Right, my dear students, see, this is what we have here like this. Now you know cos alpha is equal to p by 2h. P by 2h. Sin alpha is equal to p by 2k. Now use cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1. From that you will be getting the required equation of the value. Right, my dear students? You can easily get using that. Fine. Now the 74th problem, very easy problem. The ratio in which the line joining 2, 3, 4, 1 divides the line segment joining the points 1, 2 and 4, 3. Lambda is to 1, then lambda. My dear students, you can just find this point like, okay, internal division. You know that lambda is to 1. Lambda x2, lambda into 4 plus 1 into 2 by lambda plus 1, comma lambda y2 plus 1 into 3 by lambda plus 1. Now this point is lying on the line segment joining of these points, this line. Just substitute this point on this line. You find line equation. From that you will get lambda value very easily. Right? That is the way. And also the 75th problem they have given here. Right, my dear students, very easily you can do. What is that? Is they given 3 points lie on a line. Okay, they given 3 points, collinear points. A, B, comma 0. P, A, comma B. Right, B, 0, comma K. They all lie on a line. That means they are all collinear. A, P, B. You can use slope of AP equal to slope of AB. Okay, and you will get this condition, something like A by H plus B by K is equal to some value you will get. That is what the value, I think it is 1, of course. In this way you will be getting, or you can find area of the triangle. From that also you will be getting. In many ways you can do that, of course. This is the way, and I will be sending the key also. These are the hints and solutions part. For every problem I have explained 80% of it. This will help you for clarifying your doubts regarding this question paper. Right? Thank you very much, my dear students. Thank you.